Hello guys, welcome to Vicky's Mandarin channel. Okay, today I'm wearing a scarf to go with my outfit today. Scarf, 围巾, scarf. Okay, and there is a necessity power bank. 充电宝 power bank. So earrings, okay. 耳环 earring. You got it? So I'm in the you see here is basketball park. 篮球 basketball 篮球 park 公园 So basketball park is 篮球公园 You got it? Follow me. Bye bye.